from Turkey, where 66 people, all tourists, are believed to be dead at a ski resort. 51 people are believed to be injured. Those are the pictures that are coming to us from Turkey. You can see the upper part of the ski resort on fire. This is where the maximum number of fatalities have taken place. This fire broke out in the wee hours of this morning. This hotel that you see, this resort that you see, has 161 rooms. This is a ski resort which is perched on a cliff, which is why it became rather tough for firefighters to get there in time to rescue people. 55 still injured. The flames have consumed the entire upper floor of the ski resort, including the roof. Let me quickly go across to my colleague. All right, we'll try and get more details as and when we can. But for the moment, this is the big news that is coming out of Turkey, where at least 66 tourists inside a ski resort have been killed. Most of them were asleep when this fire broke out. Such was the intensity of the blaze and the fact that the firefighters only arrived there later, that people living in the resort tried to save themselves by using bed sheets to actually climb down the hotel. Not many were successful, 66 dead. Let me go straight across to Shreya Upadhyay, who has more details. Shreya, any more details emerging?
Shreya, this is an extremely concerning incident that is coming out of Turkey. As you said, 66 lives have been lost in this blaze and 51 people have been injured. So far, the cause of the fire is still being ascertained. Rescue operations still underway. But what we know is that dramatic visuals that came out of that hotel in Kartalkaya ski resort, people jumping out of their room windows, 2 of them actually losing their lives, dying because of the fact that out of panic, they jumped out of the room to save their lives. Rest of them, of course, on the 4th floor of this 12-story hotel that caught fire is how this fire spread, and they ran to save their own lives, but 66 lives have been lost. But just to give you a sense of, how the rescue operations are really taking place, Shreya, the fact of the matter is that this hotel is on the mountainous region. It's in the Bolu province of Turkey, and Bolu is a mountainous region. And it is built, that hotel is built on the inclined face of the mountain, and therefore rescue operations become even more challenging. Firefighters have been trying to douse the blaze, but they're still trying to overcome the challenges of the location there, as well as the weather conditions. This is, peak winters there. And also the fact that there were school holidays right now in Turkey. And therefore, a lot of, families along with their children were at that ski resort, because a lot of people from Turkey gather in Bolu during this time to spend their holidays at the ski resort. And that is why the kind of high number of casualties that you're seeing there, because there were lots of families there. But so far, rescue operations still underway, and the cause of this fire still being probed. Shreya.
Okay, it's a story we'll continue to track right here on Mirror Now. We'll leave it there for the moment, Shreya. Thank you very much. Moving on.